A major storm is about to hit the royal palace when a week suddenly goes missing, leaving everyone worried and confused. As panic spreads throughout the palace, Rimjim becomes increasingly concerned about a week's safety. No one knows where he has gone, and every attempt to find him ends in failure. The situation becomes even more alarming when CCTV footage reveals a shocking sight. The footage appears to show Sameer carrying an unconscious Avik before secretly leaving the area in disguise. The moment Rimjim learns about this, she is convinced that something is terribly wrong. Refusing to waste any time, she immediately calls the police to the palace. As soon as the officers arrive, Rimjim boldly accuses Sameer of kidnapping Avik and demands strict action against him. Her words leave everyone stunned. Rimjim declares that no one is above the law, regardless of power or position. She insists that if Sameer has committed a crime, he must be punished. Her fearless stand creates tension throughout the palace and sparks a fierce confrontation. Mohini is unable to control her anger after hearing Rimjim's accusations. Furious at the challenge to the royal family's authority, she lashes out at Rimjim and questions her actions. The atmosphere becomes highly emotional as both women stand firmly by their beliefs. Despite the pressure and opposition, Rimjim refuses to back down. Her only priority is bringing Avik back safely and uncovering the truth behind his disappearance. Meanwhile, the police face a difficult dilemma. Sameer is one of the most powerful figures in Veergarh, making the situation extremely sensitive. However, Rimjim's determination leaves them with no choice but to begin a full investigation and launch a search operation. As the search intensifies, suspense continues to grow. Sameer's phone remains unreachable, and nobody knows where he has gone. Rumors begin spreading throughout the palace, and everyone starts questioning his intentions. Some believe he is guilty, while others suspect there is a hidden truth that has yet to come out. Just when the tension reaches its peak, a dramatic twist changes everything. Sameer suddenly returns. To everyone's surprise, Avik is with him. The emotional reunion between Rimjim and Avik brings immense relief. After enduring fear and uncertainty, Rimjim finally embraces her brother, overwhelmed with emotion. For a brief moment, it seems as though the nightmare has come to an end. But the drama is far from over. The police immediately step forward and take Sameer into custody. Since serious allegations have already been made against him and the evidence has raised strong suspicions, he is arrested in front of the entire royal family. The shocking arrest leaves everyone speechless. Questions begin to arise from every corner of the palace. If Sameer truly kidnapped Avik, what was his motive? Why did he leave in secret? What forced him to disguise himself? And if he is innocent, why did he hide the truth from everyone? Sameer's silence only deepens the mystery. Now the palace is divided between doubt and belief. Some people see Sameer as a criminal, while others are convinced that he is hiding a dangerous secret for a reason. The truth remains buried, and its revelation could change the lives of everyone involved. As Sameer is taken away and the palace struggles to process the shocking events, a new mystery begins to unfold. Hidden secrets, unexpected betrayals, and emotional confrontations are waiting just around the corner. Will Sameer reveal the real reason behind Avik's disappearance? Will Rimjim discover the truth before it is too late?